Regulation of liquidity. The State Bank of Pakistan has also been entrusted with the responsibilities to carry out the monetary and the credit policy in the accordance with the government's targeted for the growth and inflation with the recommendation of the monetary and the fiscal policies coordinations board without trying to affect the macroeconomic policy objectives. The State Bank also regulates the volume and the direction of the flow of credit to different uses and sectors. State banks makes uses of both direct and indirect instruments of monetary management. During the 1980s, Pakistan embarked upon a program of financial sector reforms which led to the member of the fundamental changes. Due to these changes, the conduct of the monetary management, which brought about changes to the administrative control and the quantitative restriction to market-based monetary management, a reserve monetary management program has been deployed for the intermediate target of the M2 that would be achieved by the observing the desired path of the reserve money. The operating target. State Bank of Pakistan has changed the format and design of the many banknotes which are currently in circulation in Pakistan. These steps were taken to overcome the problem of the fraudulent activities. Banking. The State Bank of Pakistan looks into many ranges of banking to deal with the changes in the economic climates and the different purchasing and buying power. Here are some of the banking areas that the bank looks into. State Bank's Sharia board approves the essential and model agreements for the Islamic model of the financing procedure for the submitting claims with SPB in respect of the unclaimed deposit surrenders by the banks, microfinance banks, and small and medium enterprises. Minimum capital requirements for the banks, remittance facilities in Pakistan, opening of a foreign currency account with the banks in Pakistan under new scheme, handbook of the corporate governance, guidelines on risk management, guidelines on commercial paper, guidelines on securitization, SPB scheme for the agriculture finance, bank assets and the liabilities, payment system, real time across settlement system, small and medium enterprises, training and development department, treasury, operations, strategic and corporate planning, microfinance, Pakistan, remittance information system and technology department, risk and management department, governor. The principal officer of the SPB is the governor. Since 4 May 2019, Raza Bakar has been the governor. Board of directors. The board of consists of 10 members. The governor, the secretary, finance division, governor of the Pakistan, at 8 directors, including the director from each provision to be nominated by the federal government. The directors are appointed for a term of 3 years. Traditionally, these directors are reappointed for a second term throughout. This is not a requirement of the law, and there have been a few exceptions to the practice.